For reliable, low-cost, broad-spectrum granular products for startup pest control, choose formulations that balance active ingredient potency with ease of application. For a budget-minded startup, Bifen LP and comparable general-use granules are effective because they contain bifenthrin at a concentration that controls a wide range of insects without requiring specialized equipment. Apply granules to dry, level soil and mulch lines at the label rate using a hand spreader or a calibrated scoop to ensure even distribution and avoid overdosing. For perimeter treatments, create a continuous band 4 to 6 feet wide around foundations, sweeping granules into crack and crevice zones with a broom or brush to improve infiltration. Avoid application to paved surfaces where wash-off is likely. When treating turf, water lightly after application to move the granule into the thatch, but do not exceed irrigation that will cause runoff. Rotate between formulations with different mode of action chemistries every 3 to 6 months to reduce selection for resistance while maintaining broad-spectrum control. Always read and follow label directions for dwell times, re-entry intervals, and environmental precautions, and keep clear records of product, date, rate, and target pest to refine protocols over time. Common mistakes include over-applying granules because of uneven spreader calibration, which leads to phytotoxicity or wasted product. Calibrate and test spreaders on a known area before treating and adjust settings based on a measured test pass. Another issue is applying granules to wet or compacted soil where uptake is poor and runoff risk increases. Wait for dry conditions and loosen compacted areas when possible, then water lightly after placement. A third concern is relying on a single product type for all pests, which can cause gaps in control and faster resistance development. Pair broad-spectrum granules with targeted baits or spot liquid treatments for difficult pests and rotate chemistries on a planned schedule. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where users share real experiences about products like granular pest controls. We help contractors find work and allow homeowners to compare approaches and ask peers for practical tips.